And the Jubilee Brigade, under the leadership of President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy, are currently on a vote-hunting mission in Upper Eastern, to be specific, in Kitui, the home turf of NASA's deputy leader, Kalonzo Musyoka. Now, just to tell us more on what is currently happening there, we're joined live from Kitui by our senior political reporter, Chris Thairo. Chris, a very good afternoon, and perhaps what is going on there?
A very good afternoon to you, Yusuf. And as you correctly put it, President Uhuru Kenyatta, after finishing his three-day campaign in the larger Mount Kenya region, is now changed gears and is now entered the lower eastern region, that is Ukambani. And he started with a rally here at Mutomo grounds, where they've just finished that rally in the last 20 minutes or so. And as you can see, there's not very much activities. These are some of the crowds that are remaining here, and I had attended that meeting. And when the president was addressing the residents here, before that, he opened the Kibwezi Kitui Road, and from there, he came up to here and addressed the residents, and of course, outlining the promises that, of course, they have made ahead of for the 4 years and a half that they've been in government, and of course saying that this time round there's no need of going or voting the other side. They should join the Jubilee team, which they believe that will form the next government. And remember that in Ukambani region, the three counties, that is Makueni, Machakos, and where we are in Kitui, at stake is 1.5 million registered voters. In Kitui County alone, it's 415,000 registered voters. So a good number of voters there, a good number for any political side that they will try to woo, so that they can get the much needed votes that they need come the 8th of August. Remember that in 2013, this region voted for CORD, since the political kingpin of this region, that is Kalonzo Musyoka, and who is the running mate, hails from this county. Remember that he hails from Kitui County, and where the president now is heading is in Mwingi County, just the doorstep of Kalonzo Musyoka. But many promises there, even as they continue campaigning with the deputy president. But just to add, when the deputy president was addressing, he challenged the opposition. Remember that when he was in the larger Mount Kenya region, he claimed that the opposition is being funded by cartels and people who have looted money and public resources to fund their campaigns. And this time around, today, he actually challenged them to tell Kenyans what the plan or the agreement that they have with these cartels, so that they can be funded, and the promise that they've given them if they take over power. Of course, those are sensational claims, even as we stand here, not yet verified. But of course, it's a political season. Anything goes for any politician. And from here, we'll be heading to Kitui town, where President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected to address his last rally there. Remember that Kitui County is so vast, and so they are using choppers, but we'll link up with him in the last rally that is in Kitui town, Yusuf.
Many thanks, Chris Thairo, for that comprehensive update. And